In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted boards on Monday.com. If you've accidentally deleted a board and need to bring it back, don't worry. Monday.com makes this process pretty simple, as long as the board is still available in the trash. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can restore it quickly and get back to work. Start by logging into your Monday.com account and looking to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on your profile. This opens the account menu where you can access several settings and workspace options. If you're not sure where to begin, this is the right place because the restore option is not directly on your main board screen. Once the menu opens, look for the trash option and click on it. This takes you to the area where deleted items are stored. Think of this as Monday.com's recycle bin. If a board was deleted recently and hasn't been permanently removed, this is where you'll find it. Take a moment here to scan through the deleted items until you locate the board you want to restore. When you find the deleted board, move to the right side of that board's row and click on the three-dot menu next to it. This menu contains additional actions you can take for that deleted item. If you have several deleted boards with similar names, make sure you're selecting the correct one before moving forward. It's always a good idea to double check, especially if your workspace contains multiple projects or teams. After opening the three-dot menu, click on Restore. As soon as you do that, Monday.com will recover the deleted board and return it to your workspace. Depending on your account setup and board organization, it may reappear in its original location or in the relevant workspace section. That's all it takes to restore a deleted board on Monday.com. To recap, you click your profile in the upper right corner, open the trash, find the deleted board, open the three-dot menu beside it, and select Restore. If you're trying to recover something important, it's best to do it as soon as possible so the item remains available in the trash. And after restoring the board, it can be helpful to open it right away and confirm that everything looks correct. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you restore your deleted board successfully.